Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain to you how to find downloaded files on your phone or tablet, a step-by-step guide. Feel free to comment if you have any questions. Let's start. You won't always find your downloaded photos, videos, screenshots, documents, and other files all in one place on your Android phone. It makes finding important files challenging, even if you use a file manager app to organize your phone. My guide shows you where to find any downloaded file on your phone if it didn't save to your downloads folder. We also show you how to organize your downloads folder. You can follow this guide whether you use one of the best Google Pixel phones or another Android smartphone. How Android's file system works and where to find it. Android uses a file system similar to disk-based file systems. There are usually two physical storage locations, internal and external. Internal storage tends to be smaller, while external storage can be bigger. And now, how to find downloaded files on your Android's Files or My Files app. Each smartphone manufacturer may offer a slightly different built-in Android app for file management. The experience of using different file managers should still be similar. Like Windows, Mac OS, and iOS operating systems, Android has a downloads folder for your files. Here's how to find downloads on your device. Open the Files or My Files app from the home screen or app drawer. Tap Downloads. View the files you downloaded. You can also find your downloads on the Files by Google app. Files by Google is one of the best apps if you don't want to deal with complicated UIs to find your documents. Open the Files app, tap Downloads. Browse the Download tab to see the downloaded files and folders. I hope I made that clear. See you in the next video. More videos on my channel. Like and subscribe for more tips.